Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce creamy, easy method. Begin by melting butter and gently cooking garlic, then pour in heavy cream and lower the heat. Let the cream reduce until it just coats the back of a spoon, then remove from heat. Stir in freshly grated Parmesan slowly to form a smooth emulsion, season carefully, and finish with a splash of reserved pasta water for silkier sauce. Temperature and timing are the secret to a silky Alfredo sauce, so keep heat moderate and work quickly. Always grate your own cheese and add it off the heat to avoid curdling or graininess. If the sauce seems too thick, stir in a tablespoon at a time of reserved pasta water until you reach desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning, then toss sauce with hot pasta for perfect coating and service. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a great time saver for cooks, offering voice control and smart cleaning so you can focus on sauce, not crumbs. It picks up messes fast and fits under cabinets easily, making kitchen cleanup almost automatic. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Many home cooks overheat the cream or add cheese too soon, which causes a broken texture, so stay gentle. Skip pre-grated cheese. It often yields a gritty sauce because of additives that prevent clumping. If your sauce breaks, whisk in a little cold cream or a small pat of butter to coax it back together. Practice these gentle techniques and you will get consistently smooth, restaurant-style Alfredo at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.